Yeah, which means to buy a normal Aboboyaa from China to Ghana, no, get it delivered at your doorstep, no, you'll be looking around 33,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah, which is, I think, would you compare the rate month for ton or Ghana? This is cheaper. And now, hello, Busianfo, was some for Kwame Chumesinie, and next year by another awesome video. And Air Bremo. 5 years ago, me a video in regards to how to buy Aboboyaa and Pragya. How you can buy it and establish a business with it. We are now in 2026. And tiene maton safre Boss Bernard. Another breakdown Air Bremo. Moi message here. Who the latest updates in regards to the costings. So person to Aboboyaa and Pragya from China to Ghana. No. This is the video for you guys. Into Obi share Obi person to either Pragya and Aboboyaa from China to Ghana. One, what is the process?
Okay, me da sina kunya dia mami. Yes, say can so person want to Pragya and Aboboyaa in free China. First of all, you have to get it because a business and people also in the system will be to scam until we have the right channel I'll follow. First we me go Alibaba and I say we will be sorry but yeah process now from say we have the supply over there because last year we went to China and we secured a factory over there and as we provide this machines until we have the resource with them. I hope be a bit my day until say can say per se one case there you can come to us and I say you have another alternative to leave the supplier in your care. Yeah.
Okay. And the what can I say last year when you call China and a committee a supplier or more a supply Aboboyaa and Pragya meboa. Okay. And I know my audience we bring up some more your idea. Until let's start with that. And sana wa committee supplier and so bring that at a later part. In time find so be share no be person or talk Pragya and Aboboyaa by on one self from China. Which are platform ben on between share suppliers from.
Okay, so it's simple. We have a platform which is Bicycle Club and we have a community. And when I did all your legit supply side specifically for this supplier for Tricycle and Pragya, you have to go to Bicycle Club, not subscribe to membership. And 200 cedis for yearly membership. And to subscribe, you have access to the suppliers page. And after the searching for this supplier, they are on our website and WeChat. And so WeChat, you can access the WeChat. And probably I haven't tried them on WhatsApp there, but make sure so they also have WhatsApp number. See, if only WeChat, you can direct contact them on WhatsApp as well.
Okay, it's way like supplier or supplier now called China no. Who can be teen on web all the contacts about to Bicycle Club community. Okay, thank you. Now Obi people Alibaba so benye biana.
Yeah, Alibaba so you will go have a supplier. Yes, or Alibaba until either supplier and as Alibaba so you can still get without either one. And to Benya Alibaba link, then you click on it, but still from bicycleclub.org. Now if you want contact of Alibaba direct.
Thank you. And to the boss Benedict can say supplier and your legit one yakwa factory no you so legit. Into one person toward the open the contact of the supplier or Bicycle Club community contact no. And TM so be no contact here. What is the next step?
All right, so it is a supplier now. For instance, Alibaba they just direct link until you chat them about so it will be Alibaba now. So if you already register, you just go directly to the suppliers page. Then you start communicating with the person regards to the product now open. Say be open Pragya, you just have to tell them say be a Tricycle and say even grow image so you can also show the image to the product now open. Now for the amount the category of what they have in their stock, not for the unoma communicated for. Yes.
Okay. And to contact the supplier, no be their catalog and amboa.
Yeah.
Okay. And the catalog will have the different types of Pragya and Aboboyaa and that particular supplier.
Yes.
All tongue with the prices.
Yeah.
All right. Prices now be who Alibaba no. No. I they hide some.
most of the times, no cost supplies page, the product you see over there is not the actual price, because on the international platform they use Google translation for the currency part, and Google rates of how the conversion rate is going, is what you see in your country. It's most of the time we call platforms, so then you see products for 1,000 cedis, but charges supplier, it is not the actual cost, and because of the Google rate, you always have to contact the supplier for the specific rate and price of the product based on the currency you want to pay in. Say we are person paying dollars, they will give you the quote in dollars, and as a person paying RMB, so they will give you the quote in RMB.
Yeah, we're a big what they call it, education, and a big lesson for most of our viewers, especially more first timers in mini importation. Most times on these platforms, maybe Alibaba also, maybe a pair of socks, 5 Ghana cedis. That is not the final price. To get the actual price, I was all contacted supplier and said, Boss Bernard Eka, to get the actual price. So now due to the competition, what it's in Yamaso, said, Ninyaman be attractive. But to get the actual one, you need to contact the supplier. That supplier and then edit the actual price of the product, amount. Boss Bernard, Pragya, with the legit supplier, the price is arranged from ahead to ahead.
Okay, so Pragya na the Kumasi photo use super the for passengers.
Pass my bro. I Kumasi phone kwana use one.
Kumasi ko ha dominate pa yeah, because I crowd there who Kumasi ni sunya and out there pa. Yes, enti and I can I'm out for brands of mope, but normally ABA brand now open supply anything, but at the end of the day, ni air quality, because price in your feature and ever engine capacity now open. Based on what we have over here, price I for Pragya, 9,000 RMB. Yes, 9,000 RMB. Until with that one, or contacts na, it includes frame no bedding or amount. Bibia no so almost to nom their shape frame so they be compatible now if you want to shape it as content.
Okay, into me about
Bibia
this 9,000 RMB Pragya or much share that medium minimum but I want our listeners to understand. Or much share that and I say you to na a part of their shape frame.
Okay, so because of our Pragya say yes sharing in the DC container or shipping fee be a lot. And so almost disassemble various parts now. Mechanic with my dash one. And base, to say chassis, base, I have without one the intact. Now almost 2 wheels, not the good. So now for the top one, Kasana a frame now a cover, passengers in the sono. And so much to fuel. So the bear, Ubenya lower CBM, ubit my day.
I shape.
Next, I'm saying complete here. About shipping fee very casipa.
Okay. And I'll see saying
9,000 RMB.
Okay, and no supplier no air torn from China, meboa.
Yes.
Okay, 9,000 the back Ghana cedis more baby saying.
Alright, currently rate near 0.56. 9,000 divided by 0.56. 16,000.
Okay, 16,000 Ghana cedis for Pragya, meboa.
Yes.
Pragya no hamu say more different types. More ebua fat nipa bebre. Where the standard one nana?
Yeah, we standard one now. If nipa mienu 2 na frame miensa.
Away chino. Okay.
Yeah.
And it's around 16,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
As we are recording this video, you fair also. Membership video
in based on the rate,
on 2030. And catch I said Bernard can say 16,000 Ghana cedis. I'm going to show me video now. Back in the day, standing ball for 5 years ago. Okay, into the standard Pragya, just buying from a legit supplier over China, it's around 9,000 RMB. So you saw any rate now, said there was Bernard Kayano, 16,000 Ghana cedis, based on Ghana cedis to RMB, and yuan, exchange rate, 0.56 meboa.
Yes.
Okay, 16,000 Ghana cedis. And omutia this Sikano Emma supplier na No, almost account Ghana now. Say, how does it work?
Okay, so when you get supplier side, so you see a platform for shipping there, we have to give the supplier our address, your warehouse address, someone that our warehouse on. But say the make no be free me a ship about includes 15 I can say 9,000 RMB, yeah.
Okay, it's the 9,000 RMB. It includes the shipping from supplier no to ABR for Fofoofo imports China warehouse address, remember?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you. And we are still on the Pragya, Aboboyaa. And now, on my shipping about your friends or supplier, either sell be issue for Fofoofo imports, or pay what do you call it? Shipping address, alcoholbuysellclub.org, create your account, and generate your own unique, what do you call it? Shipping address and a shipping mark, na farmer or supplier. In case say you don't want to use Fofoofo imports, so that's okay. We to make use your shipping agent, supplier, what they call shipping agent, shipping mark, and answer wajit your shipping mark from your shipping agent. Now they are supplier no, now they are your agent in China. Now agents in China no, at the Ghana. In TFN say recording this video today no, almost shape one Pragya from China to Ghana no, which are estimating no shipping the baby is the same.
All right, so we're vehicle and that it doesn't go through the normal
CBM rate,
the normal goods, no, but the shipping agent will base on the dimension of the package to ship it for you, which will be normally we know a 4 CBM, 420I, 4 to 4.4 CBM. Until with that one, the shipping fee, based on the shipping rates now, ship and you're using. We'll be getting to 14,000 cities as shipping fee. 14,000 as shipping fee.
14,000. Okay.
Say, maybe almost charge a special rate, but there are times so a bit more rate ever from to say Fofoofo say we to make right up to maybe at 12,000 as shipping fee.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And Tianfan said 16,000 for the actual Aboboyaa meboa. Now for shipping to Ghana no, based on 4.4 CBM no, Lemfan is around 12,000 and meboa. Yeah, but this will vary based on your shipping agent. Shipping agents beyond what do you call it? Rater or charging.
The rate or issue.
Yeah, which means to buy a normal Aboboyaa from China to Ghana no, get it delivered at your doorstep, you'll be looking around 33,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah, which is, I think, would you compare the rate man for ton or Ghana? This is cheaper. And I'm boy.
Yes, you see, platforms on motor machines be local use. No, this is not brand new. Local use, not just will be using maybe ton 35,000, maybe ton it 30,000. Yes, now he say, or they were using the crown for no 35,000. What's spending now to free China by waiting for within 2 months time you can get a brand new one
way better.
Yeah.
And to utumi nya ntubase a China auto papa preko brand new from China to Ghana na a way better. And then this 33,000 can go a little bit lower. Then depending on the dollar rate, RMB to Ghana cedis rate, and also the dollar to the CD rate, at the time I will talk. What do you call it? Your Aboboyaa, which is reasonable. Second hand crown also more is 35. You make sure your Ghana credit.
Yeah, every day 35.
Wow.
Every day 30. Yeah.
Yeah, do be the about make sure cry for your ton crown cry ton 35. And to pay we Thank you so much. Now what the prices of other ones the to me fat because me want to see more tin there. Yeah, be to me fat what do you call it? I think say nipa mienu enima na face 6 ewechi.
Yes, with that one supplier has a lot or different versions, but the me tomo we na yeah discussing. It say bia nyame adom banal contact supplier no kwa there you can also give
get the price of that
prices,
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. And the Aboboyaa and swear.
All right. So Aboboyaa also follow the same process, but just I don't know pricing is different. The price not ubit me ton 9,000 5,900 RMB.
5,900
almost 6,000. Yeah, almost 6,000. I can't say China.
Okay. And so when we use the normal 0.56 Ghana cedis to the Chinese RMB and yuan rate now, and find say 6,000 now. And so you be around 10,700 ho, meboa.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes.
so shipping fee now.
Okay, and so CP, and so the same dimension now, which is 4 CBM. The answer bit more cost the same as Pragya.
Okay. In terms of find say around you find say 12,000 Ghana cedis as shipping fee.
Yeah. All right. And see what I'm talking about, engine capacity near 200 cc. Yeah, we will bit mark say yeah, me turbo has a bannable form. A capacity no then a form tinama when you price. Tier the higher one, which is 200. Yes, and 200 and also yeah, platforms I'm out for it to be 35,000.
Wow.
Yeah, brand new. Yes, a bit to be 35,000. Yeah, a bit quite 36. But we can calculation now. I don't think say it drew 28,000.
Okay.
To wait more save.
Yeah, because we are around 26,700. And TFN say oh turn 35 krana. That's around 8,000 Ghana cedis profit. And away 200 cc. 200 cc na say powerful na it me fa load be brain no me.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. And TF4, yeah, the price breakdown and the process in regards to how to buy Aboboyaa and also Pragya from China to Ghana. Yeah, the breakdown mamo. And we also have the legit suppliers. There's a lot of scammers on these Alibaba platforms, yeah, and see if you don't want to get scammer now open legit supplier, just join the community. Yeah, all the legit suppliers, about 2 amount. No be per se yanka see tomana you bet me atomana na.
Yes, a bit smarter one. Recently I talked to amount for.
Okay.
I go to amount for place orders. Yeah.
Okay. And see if you are new to this and you don't have any experience sooner, we can also buy some and get it delivered to your doorstep in Ghana for you. Thank you so much, Boss Bernard. Any last words, and so now we call it off.
Yeah, all right. So open shipping agents and shipping from China to Ghana. You can use Fofoofo import and buycellclub.org. Yes, we have a smooth platform with my day. Access shipping from China to Ghana.
All right, thank you so much. And guys, buycellclub.org, the platform is really, really powerful. We'll sign it up. It gives you everything, very transparent. We'll track you good. So, what do you call it? Your goods nedru. To me, logging into the website. On the home page now, I track I'm tracking in regards to baby work container how many days I do to my pot. And see if you are new to mini importation and if you're already in mini importation, now share reliable shipping agent to work with join Buy Sell Club. Again, if you are new to this and you want legit suppliers and asset tutorials to get you started with your mini importation business, join Buy Sell Club community or honor all the mini importers, or more we are sharing ideas and helping each other. Boss Bernard, thank you so much. I'm for also energy motorbike winty. You bit my part 2. Nearly how to buy and ship motorbikes from China to Ghana. Abromana.
Yes, you bit my answer.
Okay. All right, thank you. Until I'll schedule another time with Boss Bernard and I'll bring you this awesome tutorials. Within the Kwame Chumesi, Yakramo. See ya.
Okay.